Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. It's Pop Art time, and today we're going to draw the best Pop Tart to celebrate Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pop Tart, let's first start by drawing a straight line for the sides. So I'm going to just come right here and try my best to go straight down. Just say about that much, and then I'm going to come back up here and round off a corner for our Pop Tart. So we're just trying to draw maybe like a rectangle shape. It's all up to you. How wide, tall, or whatever you want, whatever sized rectangle you want. But I'm just going to try to go across now, straight as possible. Say about that much, and then I'm going to go ahead and round it off. So I'm just making mine a little bit squarer. Not too skinny, and then about right here I'm going to draw the same thing. Just go ahead and round it off, and I'm just going to come straight down. Take a look at my camera, make sure I'm going as straight as possible. And definitely get a ruler if you need help with it. So then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and round it off. So I'm about the same level, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom there. So just a basic rounded off rectangle is what we're aiming to draw. So then now that I have this shape in, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to draw the sweet part. So I'm just going to come to the corner, and I'll just start the corner with a curve, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wobble my way down. So this part is all up to you how much wobble you want to put, but as you come to the corner, just round it off again, and we're just going to create this little border here. So go all the way across, and then come to the corner, round it off again, and back up, and corner, and once again same thing all the way across, and connect there. Just something like that. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come about right here in this area, and I'll draw a big circle for some cute, draw so cute eyes. And come right across, say about right here, and draw another big circle. There. Then I'm going to come in here and put in 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing, oops, hold on, let me round off my circle, and same thing over here. Nice thing about Draw So Cute eyes is they're easy to fix, right? So then just come over here and do the same thing. There, now that these circles in, eyes in, I'm just going to come to the top and draw a soft curve over each eye. And let's give this Pop Tart a sweet smile. So right in the center, just draw a curve across and cap it off. There. Okay, so then let's have this Pop Tart here holding a heart. So I'll draw the heart first. So about in this area, off to the side, I'm going to go ahead and just give myself 2 points right down the line. So I'm just kind of having the heart at an angle, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big heart. And same thing on this side. Try and match my other side nice and wide, and then bring it right back in. There. And then I'm going to have some hands holding it. So let's say about right here. I'm just coming to about this area and just draw a curve towards my heart. And then I'll thicken this part up with an oval shape right here. And then same thing over here. So just drag this point across, so about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing, just a hand that comes over, and then thicken this part up. Now that we have the heart done, let's come in here and I'll just write Best Pop. But you can write whatever you like, of course. And B-E-S-T and then pop. P-O-P. And let's see, come in here and thicken it up. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Best Pop Tart turned out to celebrate Father's Day or any day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you out today, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.